Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm really excited to have you join us today. In this video, we're going to dive into something that's been creating a lot of buzz recently, cryptocurrencies. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. You've probably seen terms like Bitcoin or Ethereum floating around, but have no idea what they actually mean or how they're used. Well, in this video, we'll break down the basics of cryptocurrencies and explain how they function, what makes them different from traditional money, and how you can start understanding and using them. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are many others, including Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Unlike traditional currencies like the dollar or euro, cryptocurrencies aren't controlled by any central authority, such as a government or bank. Instead, they rely on a decentralized system. This means there's no single entity managing or regulating them. Instead, transactions are validated by users across the globe using a technology called blockchain. But how exactly do cryptocurrencies work, and why are they so important? Well, cryptocurrencies operate through a peer-to-peer network, which means transactions are made directly between individuals without intermediaries like banks. This makes transactions faster and often cheaper. Since there's no middleman, users can send money internationally without dealing with the usual fees and delays that banks typically impose. Plus, these transactions are secure because they are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. So, what exactly is blockchain, and why is it so crucial? Blockchain is a technology that powers most cryptocurrencies. You can think of it as a digital, distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network. The way it works is simple. When a transaction is made, it gets grouped with other transactions into a block. Each block is then added to a chain of previous blocks, creating a history of transactions. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered or removed, making it highly secure and resistant to fraud. Why is blockchain important? Well, it eliminates the need for a trusted third party, like a bank, to verify transactions. This is possible because the blockchain is decentralized, meaning it's maintained by thousands or even millions of computers around the world. Each computer or node has a copy of the entire blockchain, making it virtually impossible for any single party to alter the records. This is why cryptocurrencies are often seen as transparent and tamper-proof, and why blockchain is being adopted in many other industries beyond just finance, such as supply chain management, digital voting, and identity verification. One of the main features of cryptocurrencies is that they are not controlled by any government or central bank. This is appealing to many people who believe that decentralization gives them more freedom and control over their own money. However, this also means that cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, and their value can fluctuate greatly based on supply, demand, and market sentiment. Unlike traditional currencies, the value of a cryptocurrency isn't tied to the economic policies of a central bank or the performance of a country's economy. Instead, it's based purely on what people are willing to pay for it. You might be wondering how people actually use cryptocurrencies. Well, they can be used in many ways. Some people see cryptocurrencies as an investment, hoping their value will increase over time. Others use them as a means of payment. For example, Bitcoin is accepted by many online retailers and businesses, and some people even use it for everyday transactions like buying coffee or groceries. Ethereum, on the other hand, is often used to power decentralized applications or smart contracts, which allow users to make agreements and transactions without relying on a third party. So, how do you get started with cryptocurrencies? The first step is to get yourself a digital wallet. A wallet is a software application that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. There are many different types of wallets, including mobile wallets, desktop wallets, and hardware wallets. Each has its own pros and cons, depending on what you're looking for in terms of security, ease of use, and accessibility. Once you have a wallet, you can buy cryptocurrencies from an exchange. There are many cryptocurrency exchanges available, like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, where you can trade fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros, for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. After buying, you can store your cryptocurrencies in your digital wallet, or you can trade or transfer them as needed. Just be aware that the value of cryptocurrencies can be quite volatile, so it's important to do your research and only invest what you're willing to lose. A common concern for people new to cryptocurrencies is security. Since digital currencies are stored online, they are at risk of being hacked or stolen. To keep your cryptocurrencies safe, it's important to follow best practices, such as using a secure wallet, enabling two-factor authentication, and backing up your wallet's private keys. Also, if you're planning to hold large amounts of cryptocurrency, consider using a hardware wallet, which is a physical device that stores your private keys offline and provides an extra layer of protection against online threats. While cryptocurrencies are exciting and innovative, they also come with some challenges. One of the biggest concerns is regulation. Since cryptocurrencies operate outside of traditional financial systems, governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate them. In some countries, cryptocurrencies are banned or restricted, while in others, they are seen as a legitimate form of investment or payment. As the industry continues to grow, we can expect more regulations to come into play, which may impact how cryptocurrencies are used and traded globally. Another challenge is the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining. Mining, the process by which new cryptocurrency coins are created and transactions are verified, requires a significant amount of energy. Bitcoin mining, in particular, has been criticized for its high energy consumption, finance, and even trust. Additionally, the rise of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, could also play a role in shaping the future of money, offering government a way to create their own digital currencies while still maintaining control over monetary policy. Cryptocurrencies have already had a huge impact on the financial world, and they are only going to continue growing. Whether you're looking to invest, use them for transactions, or simply learn more about the technology behind them, now is the perfect time to start exploring this fascinating and rapidly evolving space. Remember, as with any investment, it's important to do your own research and approach the crypto world with caution and understanding. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you understand the basics of cryptocurrencies and blockchain. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from the channel. Don't forget to like and comment if you have any questions or thoughts about crypto. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.